what's going on? Back with another one finally. Snowmobile season is over. We went out to Bundyhill today. It's mainly all GoPro clips because I ended up falling. I either whiskey throttled it or my throttle got stuck. You guys will see the clip. Messed up my knee, my foot a little bit. Didn't want to make it any worse, so decided to call it a day. Just caught neutral, it got stuck. And then I wanted to get off, I got stuck on this stupid ass fucking flag. Nah, I'll sit here. I hate that fucking flag, bro. Damn, your shit's stiff. Look at this bitch, dude. Hey, you can't even move yours, dude. He's like a rock.
That's 98, bro. Roll back.
It's 03, dog. It ain't that much older. Yeah, I'm straight. Whiskey throttled that bitch. I almost ran into that thing.
I thought you hit that fucker.
Bitch. I gotta go sit down. I'm gonna go to the truck. Got more stuff in the works. Got a new cage for the side-by-side. Gonna be showing a video of that. Got a fully welded up, new graphics for it. Got a new bed for it, so I actually got storage now. Got the taillights put back on. A lot of stuff for the side-by-side, so a lot of stuff coming for the summer. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?